everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete our Amazon account permanently. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here amazon.com. This will take you to the official web page of your Amazon account. Tap on this profile icon on the top right, scroll down and tap on See All option on the right corner straight to your account. Scroll down and here on the bottom you can see an option of Help. Tap on it. Tap on the search help option on the top, enter here delete account, tap on this close your account help page option, scroll down and tap on close your Amazon account option. Scroll down. You can see that if you proceed with this request, you will not be able to access products and services associated with your closed account, including all of these help and services. And if you agree with it, scroll down and tap on this choose reason option. You can choose one of the reasons why you want to close this account. Now, if you want to permanently close your Amazon account and delete your data, tap on the square box in front of it and then tap on close my account option below. So confirmation is required for this, and you will receive a confirmation link through email or text message to verify your request to close your Amazon account and delete your data, and this link will expire in 5 days. So I am going to go to my email address section. So here on the top you can see an option of account close, that's a notification by Amazon. Tap on it, scroll down. So they've received a request to close our Amazon account and delete our data, so I'm going to scroll down and tap on this confirm account closure option. Tap on it. You can see that after entering our password and email address, your request to close your Amazon account has been confirmed. Your request to close your Amazon account and delete your data, no actions are required. Your request will be processed automatically. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.